So this is a Yamaha motor that we dropped the lower and put an impeller in, and it was a recent purchase. And there's some more motor mount parts that are packed up. But this is what's left in the motor to get this tube out. And this boat was purchased and it's been overheating ever since it was purchased. So we were really hoping, because we couldn't see that the way it was up there because that was on top, but someone obviously was having some cooling problems before we ever saw it and ran a long drill bit up there, thinking that drilling out that water supply tube would correct the problem. So at least we were, after going through all this trouble to pull these parts, we actually found the problem why it wouldn't cool at an idle.